Alright, so I'm going to try a little experiment here. And two of our chickens have decided to go broody. And I do have a male in here, so some of these quail eggs should be fertilized. So I'm going to take some of these quail eggs. I'm going to put them under the broody chicken just to see what happens. Experiment may be no good, but I'm going to do that and then I'll candle them and who knows, find out what happens. There are the broody ladies. Here are the quail eggs I'm going to sneak under. If they'll let me. There we go. Here you go, ladies. 2 eggs into you, 2 eggs into you. So this may provide no results. This may provide messy results. Who knows? We'll find out. Stay tuned.